Michael Cardamone here once again at Northeast Factory Direct. That means Alex Nemeth is right beside me. Alex, it's finally time in Northeast Ohio. It is patio season. We're all excited for it. What great deals do you have this season?
So we have a ton of stuff right now. We have a huge selection of stuff that we have in stock. Let's start with dining room tables. This is an all solid wood eucalyptus table. This is one of our most popular. Eucalyptus is great because it's not like teak that fades over time, and it can last a while. Of course, we have our traditional cast aluminum tables. We're selling these for $9.95, which is an unbelievable value.
It really is. This looks like it could go inside, Alex.
Yeah, so when I first saw this, I thought it was for inside, but it's actually an outdoor table. It's rust-proof aluminum and just has that really, really high-end look. You wouldn't believe what some of the specialty stores are selling these for right now.
All right, and then the comfy patio furniture right here.
Yeah, so again, it looks like it can be indoor or outdoor. This group here, again, goes with the solid wood collection. This sofa here we're doing right now for $6.99. We have them in stock. This thing would cost you $2,000–3,000 somewhere else.
Wow, that's crazy. And this is really sharp looking as well.
This is an example of one of our high-end sectionals that you can make as big or as little as you want. We have outdoor sectionals starting at $3.99.
And of course, you've got a huge selection of hot tubs.
Our hot tubs are amazing. We have those now, believe it or not, starting at $24.99.
Well, you've got it all to make their summer oasis. So, don't forget about their 1-year price match guarantee as well. So check them out in all of their locations or simply visit them online at northeastfactorydirect.com.